Welcome to Admin, the command center for BrewPOS. You can reach Admin from any Windows computer, or from a Windows Cloud desktop if you're an Apple user. Your connection to Admin is encrypted to ensure your data is always safe. Admin is organized from the upper left to the lower right of the screen in a tabular configuration. Select your first tab on the top line, and the available options for the second set of tabs will change. Choose a tab on the second line, and available sort options will now show on the third line. In our third line, we can manipulate the reports by setting date ranges or choosing display options. On some reports, you have a fourth line of tabs to drill down into a section for even more data. Let's look at how to export a report. Every report is exportable in multiple ways. You can copy it to the clipboard, export it into an Excel file, or make a PDF of the report. On most reports, you can select date ranges, then click the refresh button. BrewPOS contains a deep, rich amount of drill down data. All items you can drill down into with a double click are indicated by a dot at the front of the item. Simply double click on any line item with a dot to further drill down into a report. Reports tab. Here is where you will see the financial data on your company. The Activity tab will give you your daily closeouts. Summary allows you to do X reports over date ranges. Books will give you the exports you need for your financial software like QuickBooks. The Today tab, This Week tab, and History tab will provide you comparisons of sales to previous weeks and years. In the Summary tab, we can see reports on locations or products sold. The column headers can be clicked on to sort the reports into ascending or descending value. Time cards. BrewPOS is capable of keeping track of all of your employees across multiple locations with overtime on any pay schedule you want: weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, the 1st and 15th, or even irregular pay periods like every 11 days. Setup. This is one of the tabs you will use the most. It allows you complete control over all your products. Here, you will create how your POS system looks and works. Start with categories. These are the categories you will see in the front of house for the POS. Select a category to see the items in it. Double-click a category, and you can access the controls of where and when it will appear in front of house. Set an icon for it. Choose the locations it will show at and set times for when it is available or not available. Double-click on a product and you can access the product's details, from color of the button to the price. Here, you can also control what printers in the kitchen will receive the item. Inside the product screen are multiple tabs that let you customize how the product works at your location. Settings. Web controls for online ordering. Inventory management settings. Modifiers that are currently configured for the product, discounts that can be applied, including time-based discounts like happy hour, or even a bill of materials for the advanced inventory system. Let's pay special attention to the Preview tab. Clicking here, you can see what the front of house will look like to your staff without ever having to leave the admin program. Let's check out the Security tab. Here is where you manage all your employees. You can double-click on any employee to see what permissions they have. BrewPOS offers an extensive amount of permission controls. The Locations tab lets you see what locations an employee can clock in at. With time card codes, an employee can clock in under multiple different pay rates. For example, if you have a server who is also a cook. They get paid tips as a server, but hourly as a cook. Give employees access to specific admin screens and deny them access to others so they can log into the admin portal online and help manage your restaurant. Control who receives email notifications and what they are for. Want to create a new employee just like the one you already have? Use the copy button at the top of the page to add new employees quickly and easily. The BrewPOS More tab. Under More, we keep all of your customer information and track important data like their phone number, email, how much they've spent as a customer, and when their last visit was to your restaurant. We also allow you to track club members, trade accounts, employee purchases, tabs, even 86 customers. Gift cards. BrewPOS offers both integrated gift cards and the ability to use paper gift cards and provides full reporting for both. You can even issue gift cards from the admin portal. This makes it easy to issue cards without tying up the front of house machine. Inventory. BrewPOS offers a complex and rich inventory platform with two distinct models. The simple inventory model tracks the number of items on hand, number of items sold, and profitability of those items, including discounts and comps on those items. With simple inventory, you can receive items, relieve items through the system, count items, and adjust inventory after counts. The in-depth inventory platform will include bills of materials that will track out volumes or weights of product ingredients against inventory levels. If you are trying to track ounces of liquor used or pizza toppings by weight, this system can accommodate your needs. BrewPOS Admin, an advanced tracking system that can help your restaurant stay profitable.